Okay, so here's a little situation that we've been faced with. We've hit a really good shot in. It's just run through here because it's downwind. Now we're going back into the wind. There's a ridge here about halfway up. I don't know if you can see it well, but it rises right up here, and then from here it rolls straight down to the pin. A couple of things we need to think about here is what's going to be an ideal position for us to be in next shot. I want to be underneath the hole, obviously. I'd like to be close to the hole, but if I can't be close to it, I want to kind of be in this position. So when I'm strategizing and looking at this, I'm trying to figure out what would be the best place to putt from. If I maybe miscued here, I don't mind miscuing and just being a bit longer down in here because the putt up the hill is very good. If I kind of get a little too cute and end up in this high spot up here with this big break sliding putt, just got no chance. So not only do I want to plan the shot I want to hit, I want to plan if I don't execute it well, what might happen. So let's try 3 different shots and see how we get on. Obviously, I've got a good lie here. Into the wind. I feel like I could maybe bite. I could get this one to bite a little bit. So I'm going to chip it on to the front of the green here, try and get a little grab on it, and see if it'll behave for me. So again, it's in that spot that we talked about. It's not ideal, but it's not too bad. At least I have a chance to make the putt. I'm not having to chip again. Now, let's try going a little higher because obviously that little spinny one it's not going to work for this shot. So we're going to go high now and see if we can make this work. So I'm going to open up my body a touch, open up the club face, hopefully get the spin a little bit too. Yeah, I got that one to bite real nice there. Not a bad shot underneath the hole. That's exactly where I want to be. If that feels like it's too brave for you, I'm going to take this little 6-iron. And I'm just going to try to chip it up to the top of the hill. Again, remember when we're playing this shot, a bad shot is going to be 15 feet past the pin. A bad shot's not going to be up here on top of the hill. So I'm going to try to make sure. Worst case scenario, I'm going to be too far. So I can play that little shot where it's a little 6